Hello folks, this is Rick and welcome to another episode of Trick Tries. Kung bata ako, sobrang bili ko talaga sa toys and anime, kaya naman sobrang excited ako when I was invited dito sa ToyCon PH 2017 as Trick Tries Cosplay! Pero bago yan, ano nga ba muna talaga ang ToyCon? The Philippine Toys, Hobbies, and Collectibles Convention or ToyCon PH is an annual celebration of all things related sa pop culture such as toys, games, movies, cosplay, anime, at iba pa. ToyCon PH is on its 16th year of fan entertainment here in the Philippines. Aim niya i-boost further yung pop culture by promoting the joy of collecting as a hobby. It's a 3-day event and sobrang daming ganap. Merong toy bazaar and exhibits featuring some of the world's biggest brands in entertainment and gaming. Kung toy enthusiast ka, sobrang dami mong pamimilian. Pwede ba itong hawakan? Sabi yung leg ni Superman. Ganun daw kung may mayaman. Parang commercial lang na.
All day, no check. No, 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 no check.
La! Ano toys? Ate! Binibenta niyo yung ganitong standee, hindi? Display niyo lang. Ah, okay. Sige po. Thank you. Ariga toys. Ano, bes? Kaya pa ba?
Balak mo agawin lahat ng meron ako. Itong stroller na to, yung buhay ko, pati tatay na anak ko. Baba mo yan! Baba mo yan!
Gusto ko naka-attend din si Annabelle. Annabelle Ravel. Welcome to the Philippines! Meron ding local and international celebrity guests from different media such as movies, TV, music, comics, gaming, anime.
Peaceful in the house! Mapuhay!
Left, right, triangle, triangle. Don't I come, oh my God, hurty ang manis ko. Don't I go, oh my God, hurty ang manis ko. Enjoy po ba kayo? Everybody, see you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow.
Guys, nakita ko si JD dito as cosplayer.
80 million, 50 million. Better than that. 80 million
Sobrang
is an
idol ko
opening
siya nung kinanta
for...
niya yung Jubilee song.
It's the time of the great Jubilee.
Ito na yung Mars Ravelo.
Donna!
So hindi ko inabutan si Liza Soberano dito kasi wala ako yesterday. Pero at least, ito naman si Liza Maydiza. Meron ding mga contests such as toy custom, photography, art, fan film contest, at iba pa. And syempre, hindi mawawala dyan ng cosplay. Ito yung first time ko to attend a cosplay event. Costume play or cosplay sa hobby. Bukod sa dressing up as the character they like or support, it's also a form of self-expression. Meron ding mga cosplayers who take it as a challenge in creating costumes na parang physically impossible gawin in real life, and they really take pride sa kanilang creation.
Sure you...
So, dito tayo sa isang part ng... Ano ba ito? World Cosplay Summit. So, makita natin, ipag-ipag yung mga cosplayers. Tapos may iba-ibang pinrovide na backbox para makapag-photoshoot sila. Hi! Master Pogi!
Tuminom na kayo! Ang Pogi Live! Ang Pogi kayo!
Ang saya kapag harutan kasi lahat game na game talaga. All harot aside, I think yung pinaka-highlight din ng pagka-cosplay ko is seeing kids na talagang sobrang excited sila na makita ka at magpa-picture sa'yo. Ganito siguro yung nafe-feel ni Jollibee. I really enjoyed the experience, though next time mas paghahandaan ko siguro yung costume ko kasi pang malakasan talaga yung mga ma-attend doon. Hindi siya parang any other Halloween or costume party na na-attendan ko. Comment below kung anong suggestion yung cosplay ko next time. Nakakatawa na mayroong mga ganitong events where people can gather and just celebrate their common interest. Ito ang dahilan kung ba't ako napunta dito. Siyempre, ang hari ng ToyCon.
Kaya ako nung bilang ito, nakakatawa, grabe.
And since nasa common interest na rin tayo, dito rin sa event na to, first time ko na-meet yung mga friends ko from YouTube Vloggers Philippines. Hindi ba kasama ko sa YouTube Vloggers Philippines? Kasama ko sila.
Yes, kita mo na.
Part ako ng group na yan, so support natin sila.
Roll call natin sila ng very quick para you can also check their channel. Sa description din below yung mga links nila. That's it! I hope you enjoyed this video kasi ako sobrang na-enjoy ko siya. Last episode's question natin, tied up siya with Care Divas giveaway together with Peta Theater. Pwede pa kayong sumali hanggang Friday, July 7, 2017. Just check this video. I-announce kayong winners on Saturday, July 8 sa ating next vlog. Yes, 2 episodes tayo this week. Meanwhile, this episode's question is, kung magkakaroon kayo ng superpower, ano yun?
I wanna be Super B!
I-comment yan below and I'll be giving away itong electric fan ko to a lucky subscriber. Hala kayo, abuso, lahat ng episode may giveaway. I pick lucky subscribers para ma-shoutout sa next Trick Tries episode natin. If this is your first time seeing me, welcome to my channel. I also do Jologs Travel Vlogs. Check nyo rin yun. Subscribe to my channel by clicking this button. You may also follow me on my other social media accounts. That's it! Bye, pose!
Team song naman dyan.
Hey, no!